What's going on, guys? It's your man Crucial RC Lance here, man. Here, I got a fresh unboxing for you guys, yo. I had to get this piece. It's another Floyd Vick part. So you guys stay tuned, and when we come back, you're gonna see what we got, what we're working with. All right, so here it is, man. We had a part for the Floyd Vick body car slash truck. All right, you guys. Actually, you know what? I don't think I actually have posted on the YouTube channel. I don't think I posted on my YouTube channel what I've done to my body car. I have posted some videos, some pictures, not really videos, some pictures of what I've done to it on Facebook. And I'll show you guys in a minute, but I want to get this unboxed because I've been practicing with the body car slash truck, and I've been having issues with it. I can't keep it on the ground no matter what. I take off and I'm doing wheelies. So I had to make a little call in the Floyd Vick for some parts. So he got your boy hooked up. All right. See what we got here, guys. Some paper, some packing. All right, there we go. Here we go. First thing, let's open them up. First thing, baby. All right. All right, first thing up, we got some tires, man. Some wheels, some foam wheels. As you guys know, there are different makers that make foam wheels for your rail or for your body car, your Baja. All right. There are differences, guys. The density of the foam, the material he uses, the lightness of the wheel and tire combination, and then you have the glue that holds the foam on this wheel, because this is a BRP wheel that that these companies get from BRP, but then they put their glue on it and they put their foam on it. So if any of that fails, guys, if your foam fails because it's not a good foam, not a good density, too heavy of a foam or something like that, or if that glue comes off this wheel, foam is gone. It's no good. All right. I mean, I got this thing in like 2 days to my door. All right. So we got a left and a right here. You know what I mean? I always mark my wheels when I get them. That way that if I need to take them off to do any kind of changes to the car, I make sure I put them back on the same side. These are, I believe, 3.5 inch wide, and I believe these are 7.25 inch tall. Let me go check. Yep. 7.25 inch tall, and it should be 3.5 inch wide. All right, and these are for my body car slash truck that you will see in a minute. All right, let's see what else we got up in here. And here we go, baby. Keep that body car slash truck down on the ground. Nice. This is the upgraded version, Wheelie bar. I used to have one that I bought for my rail. But this is upgraded now. This actually has the uprights on it, and they're gold. That's sweet. Thanks, Floyd. That's sweet, man. Got the gold uprights. It actually matches the color of the truck, and you guys will see that in a minute. But here is the Wheelie bar. Comes with all the hardware. Has the turnbuckles that mount to the uprights. I probably will have to drill holes for this, but the 2 holes here mount to the bottom of the uprights at the where the axle goes through from below. And there it is, the bearings. Hopefully this keeps this car on the ground. All right, so as you guys remember, this was the Floyd Vick body car that I drove last year in the IMDRA races, and up in Philly, representing the Wolfpack, the points races up there. All right, the club races. All right, as you can see, this is Quiet Storm. I love this body style, but I wasn't Mustangs are fine. Don't get me wrong. I'm not a Ford guy, so this thing did what it was supposed to do. It got me got me introduced to the Floyd Vick body car, and it got me excited about it. So, all right, so let me show you what we're working with now. Let me show you Rust Bucket. So there it is, guys. That's Rust Bucket right there. All right. Everybody know this body here. This is a primal body here. But I put a little bit of flair on it. This is a Spaz Sticks Candy Gold paint that's on there. I just did a little quick spray paint on there, rattle can. I love Spaz Sticks paints. They go on nice. Got to be careful with the candies because they will try and run on you, but this is it. Like I said, this is a primal body here. I took approximately 3.5 inches out of this second half here. All right, so this comes actually a little bit longer. This body is the body. If you don't know, this body is the body that mounts on the primal monster truck. I think it's actually called the Mega Truck. So what I did was I took a couple measurements. I actually emailed Primal. They gave me some information, and I saw that it works. It actually fits on there. It fits on there nice. All right. So I threw the tonneau cover on here because the Mega Truck actually mounts to a cage. Basically, that's what these holes here for. Mounts to a cage, but I needed some place to mount to the actual chassis. So I threw a little tonneau cover on here, and I got a little stiffener underneath here now. I'll show you that in a second. Over here, back along this rear section, my man Ricardo over at CCRSR, he custom made me a wing for this thing that is exactly how drag truck wings look. And I mean, he knocked that out the park. Right? I mean, he truthfully knocked that out the park. I mean, he got the little, I mean, it was quick turnaround. Got the good wind diffusers here, and then it has a little lip here. All right. And we actually, like I said, I came up with the idea, and he ran with it. I mean, this is awesome. Turned out really good. But yeah, man, this thing, it looks real good. Now, something to remind you guys: if you do try this and put this on your body car or whatever, it doesn't come with any stickers. You got to order the stickers separately. Basically a big sticker sheet, separate. I think it's like $30. This body, I believe, with the discount that you can get from Primal RC, I think it was like $108 shipped. So I couldn't really complain. No big deal. I just didn't realize that the body didn't come with the decals. So I ordered the body first, then I had to order my decals for it. Now it comes with tail lights, marker lights, all that stuff. But like I said, it's a drag car, right? So I didn't want to put too much on here. I just put the front grille on there just so you know that's a Chevy, and then that was it for me. But it turned out good, man. I really do love the look of this thing. But I'm gonna show you what we're gonna be working with on this thing. We got to put this Wheelie bar on here because this thing is wild, dude. And I'll show you the engine plant that's in here right now. Here's the tail, baby. All right, so here we go. This is where we should be taking this bolt out here, this bolt out here, and it should mount right on up. This is for my little tank stopper here, so I may have to recess that maybe a little bit, maybe not. We'll see how it bolts on there. All right, so it looks like we'll have to do something with that. I'll probably just drill a hole through it. Nah, I'll probably recess it. Alright, so we got that screw countersunk in there now. Now we just got to take this one out and this one out. Alright guys, if you guys don't know about the Floyd Vick, he uses all standard screws and bolts. Only place where he uses metric is the clutch carrier and the actual engine mounting. But these right here, these are 5/32. All right, so when he sends you the Wheelie bar. It comes with a slight bit longer bolts that go back into the uprights. So put some Loctite on that and get that wheelie bar on there. Alright, so there it is. You got the bar on there, a couple screws, good to go. Loctite on it. And nice thick carbon fiber for that. Now we got to get these, I guess these links mounted somehow. I got to figure out where I'm going to hook up at. So let me pull this off and then we'll see what's the best place to put them. I'm guessing somewhere in this area. So we'll have to probably, yeah, I might have to pull the wheels off. And I don't know. Let's see where we get this thing at. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to shorten these links up. Like I said, it's way deep in there. I don't want to have to drill all that out, so I'm going to bring it out to somewhere in this area. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to hold it up here about where I want it at. I'll mark it down that end. Alright, so I got the tubes marked out where I want them at. I'm going to go to this longer cut here. Same on that side. A little Irwin tubing cutter. Just cut it, make a nice clean cut. Good to go. Alright, pieces cut off now. Nice clean cuts. Now we got to get a 1032 tap for this. Alright, and now we just tap it. And there it is. Tap. 1032, guys. Alright, so I got one hole drilled on this side so far, and I got the other hole drilled over here. Just pilot holes. They line pretty well up to that. Line pretty well up to that. Just got to enlarge those out. Put the nuts and the bolts through, and we're done. Alright, so there it is. We got the bolts through here. The final size was 1364 bolt size. Alright, got the bolt, got the nut on there, got everything tightened up. Everything is nice and feels good. I'm going to take and make sure I tighten these up just to make sure, you know, they are tight because I didn't put a wrench on these yet. But there it is. All right, and we're going to throw these back on with these BRPs from Top Level RC. These Billet RP Ninja Wheel inserts, set of 2, to match their front a little better instead of it being all black. Plus I needed some inserts to compress against that wheel. And why not? Top Level RC, guys. Yo, look at these, man. As my boy Jeff from Eastside RC says, look at that billet, son. Look at that. It's a Top Level RC up in there. That's sick. Man, that's beautiful, dude. Got the little standoff spacer on there too, so that it doesn't hit the screws for the BRP wheels. That's top level right there. Definitely top level. All right. Woo. The wheelie bar looks good. Top Level RC inserts look good. And they match. Look a lot better now. Let's get this body on here. Alright guys, so there it is. The Floyd Vick. I can't even call it a body car no more. It's called the Floyd Vick truck. Body truck, or however y'all want to call it. But it looks good though. And the wheelie bar looks perfect. It's the perfect height off the ground. As you can see, it's got space underneath of it. Alright. And it looks good. It looks scale. It really does. And I love that. I love that gold finish on there. And like I said, this is Rust Bucket, guys. Rust Bucket is here. Hopefully. I did a few passes with it. And like I said, it was a bit uncontrollable to say the least, with the small wheelie bar on there, and now I got the nice size wheelie bar on there, and it's perfect. Yep. So shout out to Rooster Tail, Top Level RC, my man Ricardo at CCRSR, and shout out to my man Floyd Vick. I hope you guys like this truck. It's a little something different. So next time you see this truck, I should be in New York, and I'll be going down the track. Hopefully on all 4 wheels. So look out for it, man. Definitely look out for it. All right, it's your man Lance over at Crucial RC. Holla at you.